Hi guys, and welcome to part 2 of my Handsome Jack cosplay tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Handsome Jack's pocket watch. If you haven't already, make sure to watch part 1 where I show you how to make Handsome Jack's waistcoat. To begin, you will need to print a picture of the pocket watch. In the below description there is a link to one I'm using which I found on DeviantArt, as well as the artist profile. I printed the picture numerous times to get the size right. Draw around the picture onto some Eva foam floor mats, the link's also in the description. Now take the picture and cut along the following lines. Draw and cut around the smaller pieces onto much thinner foam sheets. I'm using an A3 sheet from Hobbycraft. The link below will take you to an A4 sheet for 50p. This will be more than enough. I draw and then cut the pieces, one at a time, to avoid mixing the pieces up. I trimmed the red foam in place to make sure they lined up perfectly. To secure the red pieces of foam to the black piece, take the first piece and put this in place. Hold down one side of the red foam while lifting up the other side. Make sure to keep the foam in the correct place. Place a small amount of hot glue onto the black foam and release the red foam and apply pressure until dry. Any excess hot glue will peel off. Once this is dry, lift up the unglued side and repeat. Do this for all 4 pieces. When all 4 pieces are dry and you removed all the excess glue, you can start to paint. I started by taking a light green acrylic paint and covering the centre circle. Once the centre circle is covered and still a bit wet, get some more green acrylic and do another layer, this time in a circular motion. Now take a small amount of white acrylic and make a dot in the centre. Using small circles to start, work your way outwards. Keep applying more white acrylic to the centre to make it stand out. Now take a small amount of black and start with big circles from the outside and make your way inwards. To paint the base colour of the watch, mix white and black acrylic and cover the rest of the unpainted areas. Use slightly more black paint for shadowy areas and more white paint for lighter areas. Now take some Deco Art metallic lustre wax finish and use a cloth. Apply the wax to the watch. Once you've gone over most of the watch with the wax and it is all dry, grab a thin pen like this one here and a ruler and go over the black lines from earlier. Go over these lines again using a thicker marker. Here I'm using Sharpie fabric markers as I like the way they look on the metallic wax. Once you've done this and everything's dry, you're going to need to get some Velcro. I got mine from Hobbycraft and the link's in the description. Use some hot glue to attach the Velcro onto the back of the black foam. This way when you make the jacket later, you'll be able to attach and reattach the pocket watch. Thanks for watching part 2 of my Handsome Jack tutorial. Don't forget to check out part 1 where I made the waistcoat, and also don't forget to check out some of my Handsome Jack drawings.